In essence, what you are doing here is you are tricking the mind into meditation. Supta Padangusthasana, left leg up. Right leg up. On the lifted leg, initially it is a stretch of your hamstring. That stretch is closer to the skin surface. And there is a tightness around the head of the femur of the lifted leg. Take the surface stretch on the lifted leg and pull it close to the bone without hardening your eyes, ears or tongue. Doesn't matter if it's on the imaginary first, but bring the stretch from the skin to the bone. Wherever you are feeling the stretch of the skin surface, bring it to the bone. Where you don't feel the stretch of the skin surface, move the bone to the skin, usually near the sit bone. When you do that to the entire lifted leg, keeping the lower leg firm, when you do that to the entire lifted leg, there is a uniformity of stretch in the leg from the top of the leg to the hip. And then over a period, it should feel like you are not stretching musculature or tendons or anything. You are stretching the bone. Once that happens, go back to awareness. From inner ears to the lifted hip. The lower heel also, the lifted heel receives more awareness. Without losing the physical posture, can there be a continuity of that awareness? A singularity? And the tightness around the head of the femur of the lifted leg is 90% imaginary. A wrong conclusion drawn by the mind. So rather than struggle physically, having come to this point, to take the leg further over, don't think musculature. Think the binding the mind has created. So from around the head of the femur to go further, you are not stretching anything. Let go. Let go of the binding, let go of your conclusion. Om Namo, don't chant, just listen. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. The attempt again with the chanting or whatever awareness we are doing is to trick the mind into meditation. If you stay with it, you will find mind doesn't run here, there and everywhere. Stays in the singularity of awareness. Again, come down, second side. This side, little quickly seeing stretches initially of the hamstring on your lifted leg. Wherever there is stretch felt, bring that to the bone. Where the stretch is not felt, take the bone to the skin. Once there is a uniformity of working the leg, see that it is a bone action, not a muscular action. Release the binding around the head of the femur. So to go further, deeper into the stretch is not more muscular struggle, is rather letting go of the binding. Then back to the singularity of awareness from inner ears to the heel. With minimum disturbance, I'm not talking of the body, I'm talking minimum disturbance to that awareness. Savangasana. Take whatever